As Ringmaster Ray, we're back at it again, hit this old place again. We've already got our first find. It's going to be a 42 wheat penny. We're going to see what else we can get. I've already found another old marble too in this little area here, so hopefully we'll find some nice old coins. See you soon. Our third wheat penny. I will not get a date off of that one, I'm pretty sure. It's really kind of roached on the front, but it's definitely a wheat. All right, let's find that silver. Check this car out, guys. That was a big one. An old station wagon right there. I already found a bottom piece to a matchbox, but that's a big one. Pretty cool. All right, we got our first Rosie of the day. Happy Thanksgiving. Hit our next wheat cent. It's gonna be a 40s. Can't get the sunlight just right. That's all I can tell, is going to be a 40s. But nice. Nailed another one. Can't get a date. There's a wheatie. Awesome. It's ringing up weird. Not very good. I don't know how well you guys can see that. And that coin. We have an amazing coin spill right there. Let's see. I think it's all going to be clad. That was a clad dime. Got a nickel. Yeah, with some more dimes, all clad there. But heck yeah. We got a find right on the surface there. Yep. $50 something. All right, let's see if we can see anything else over here. He just picked up a nice little tiny ring. It's gonna be a junker, little kid's ring. But Ringmaster Ray strikes again. Awesome. It's been a little bit. All I've been doing is picking up clad. And hopefully we may find some more hot spots out here. Did find some old marbles out here in this area, so hopefully we'll hit a good hot spot. This looks like it's going to be a 50s for sure. Awesome. This out. Ring up really good. Looks like a little tiny lunchbox. That's kind of neat. Or a toolbox, but I think it's, I'm not sure. That is neat though. There's that lunchbox right over here. The wheat on the ground. I think we got a 40, 45. Nice. Just knocked out another wheatie. This one looks like it's 1950. Can't tell if that's an S or D. Most likely D. But there's a wheatie. A little pocket of weeds. Found one there. Found one here. This one's going to be a 53 or 52. That's my guess. I think more like 53. All right, let's get that silver. I haven't found any today. Got a bite. Just popped out of the ground. Sorry for the sirens. We got a quarter. That's going to be a silver quarter. 56. Nice. Woo! Big silver. Different. Don't know what it is yet. It says 2 on it. It's pretty light. It's aluminum now. I think it's going to be a foreign coin. And I think it's going to be probably a Reich. German coin, not sure. We'll have to look it up and see. That is pretty neat. I don't see a date. Let's check. Yeah, I'll have to clean it up a little more. And wait, maybe I do. Let me see. Rub it a little more. 1950 or something like that. Can't tell. We'll see you later. Did pull up something different. 1974 Canada penny there. Nice. Got us a trigger to an old cap gun. Pretty neat. Awesome. We got us something different. We got us a nickel. It's a 54. Dirty on the back to tell if it's got a mint mark or anything, but hey, got a nice old nickel. Sweet. Guys, I think I got me a little piece of play money there. My best guess on it, but I think so. Nice. Dig up another wheat. We might be able to get a date off of. Looks like it's gonna be a 49, 49 Denver. I don't know what this is. 54.55. And I see yellow. Are you serious? Could it seriously be? Guys, I think I just found a gold ring. OMG, thank you, Jesus. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Crazy! I got it cleaned up a little bit. Well, I can tell in the letters there, 14K. Guys, that is awesome. Wow. And we got little breathe holes. It's got some stones right there. That could be diamonds also, guys. That is nice. You guys a lot of Wheaties. There's Wheaties, but this one's kind of neat. 1926. That's a nice early one. All right, guys, let's do the wrap-up video of everything that came from that day's hunt. And as you can see, a lot of taco money. Ended up with $1 in quarters there, one bicentennial, and quite a few dimes, probably $1 or so, quite a few nickels. That's one thing I can say about that new AT Max that I got. It really picks up the difference between nickels and garbage now much better. So I definitely noticed that. A big stack of pennies. Very few of these are zinc. They're predominantly 60s and 70s in there. And so you can see that. Let's slide on over. Look at all the marbles here that we got. Yep, I'm losing some behind there. Don't want to do that. There we go. Got it. All right. But some of these are absolutely really, really nice old marbles. They're really cool looking. And we got a bunch of those in there. We got this nice old car here. And this is a Chevy station wagon. Made in Israel. Interesting. It have seen better days, but got it cleaned up a little bit. But it is a nice old Chevy station wagon there. Did find a Matchbox bottom. Unfortunately, the car was not with it. Tire survived, which is usually what I see disappear. Another piece of a car, looks like an ice cream truck or something. We got a hammer to a old cap gun. Another bottom to a car here that has been broken up, and a few other odds and ends and pieces to these play cars. All right, so let's slide on over here. We've got, I believe this is either Han Solo or Luke Skywalker. It's probably one of the original ones, back from Kenner. Oh, there's another car there. We got a spoon here, aluminum spoon. I find these all over the place, and I think they're just little baby spoons. They're aluminum. Got a couple of kids' rings. Got a nice old shell there. We ended up with some keys and some older buttons that I picked up. Some of these are metallic, some of them are not. I think this one picked up. This little lunchbox was really cool. It's made out of copper. I don't see any other markings on it, but it really neat. Probably have to readjust it a little bit. There's some more tires to some of the cars there. Did you get this little tiny ring? Just a little junk ring. Got a spoon. Don't know why I kept it. Probably because it was silver plated at one time, and I'm not for sure what this is. I don't know if this, I found another one like this. I think it may be for women to put their hair up in a bun. That's the only thing I can think about it. And then let's get over here. Check this out. This is all the wheats. There's about 26 or 27 wheats right there. And then the oldest ones, like this one here. Let me see if I can zoom in a little more so you guys can see. Some of these are in the 30s. That one is a 26, I believe. And the rest of these are 30s. Some of the earlier ones that I was able to get. 38 and a 39. And then we come over here to our other coin finds here. Found a little play coin here, 1 penny. It's got the little rooster on it, little play money. That's what this is also, but this is the early one, 1958, and that's probably what this one is too, play money. We did get one nice old nickel there, 1954. Wasn't able to see in the field if it had a mint mark, and it sure does. It's a Denver. We got one Canadian, 1974. We ended up getting a Republic of Austria, 1954. This is an aluminum coin. Still pretty cool. I did find this penny. You can see that it has been shot a lot by BB gun. I just thought it was kind of cool. So I set that aside. I'm going to keep that separate somewhere else because I just like the way that looked. And for better finds, we got the 1956 silver quarter there from Denver. Not too bad a shape. And we got a Native American spear point or large arrowhead, but definitely worked and beautiful. And for the best find of the entire video, guys, it's going to be this. Yep, and you will see right now what else it was. All right, let's do a wrap-up video of everything. We're going to start out with the ring that I found. You guys will see at the end of this little part of the video the markings that are inside it. But what we're going to do is we're going to be checking the stones in here. So let me open this up, get it turned on. And what we're going to wait for is when we get this lamp lit up here. That tells us that it's ready. And it should just take just a moment. It's just warming up. There we go. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to take the tip of this and we're going to touch the stones there. I'm going to get a little magnifying glass so I can see a little better up close. We'll turn a little more light on here. And we're going to take a look here and see what happens. That's good. Go to the second stone. That's really good. And the third one. All right, so what we have in here is 3 little diamonds in there inside the ring there. So that's pretty cool. Really, really like it. Let me get to zoom in a little bit. I don't know why there it goes. So that's got the 3 little diamonds. There are the markings that are inside of it. And I'm going to post a picture of that right after we get done here. All right, let's get to the rest of it. And I'll show you what else we found. Almost totally missed that, but we did get a silver dime in this too. So we had the quarter and the silver dime. Sorry about that.